Mastering correlative conjunctions in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting and important aspect of English grammar, correlative conjunctions. These are a pair of words that work together to balance words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. By mastering these, your English sentences will become much more sophisticated and balanced. Correlative conjunctions are a pair of conjunctions that work together in a sentence to coordinate words or groups of words that hold equal importance in the sentence. They ensure that your sentences are grammatically balanced. The most common pairs include not only but also, either or, neither nor, and both and. For example, not only does she speak English, but also French. Shows that she speaks two languages. You can either go to the gym or stay at home. Presents two options. He is neither friendly nor sociable. Negative statement about two characteristics. Both my brother and I are learning to play the guitar. Shows two people doing the same activity. Even though correlative conjunctions can make your sentences more elegant, they can also lead to common mistakes if not used correctly. One such mistake is faulty parallelism, where the structure of the sentence after each conjunction doesn't match. For example, in the sentence, she not only loves reading but also to play tennis, the sentence structure is mismatched. After not only, we have a verb, loves, followed by a gerund, reading. However, after, but also, we have an infinitive, to play. A corrected version of the sentence would be, she loves not only reading but also playing tennis. Now, let's try to apply what we've learned. Here are some practice sentences. 1. She plays ___ the piano ___ the guitar. Bothand. 2. I will ___ go to the beach ___ the mountains this summer. Either. 3. He is ___ interested in art ___ music. Not only but also. 4. The cake was ___ sweet ___ tasty. Neither nor. Fill in the blanks with the correct correlative conjunctions and check your answers. And that's it for today's lesson on correlative conjunctions. Remember, using these pairs can make your English writing more balanced and sophisticated. Just keep an eye out for common mistakes like faulty parallelism. With some practice, you'll become a master in no time. Keep practicing, and as always, happy learning.